May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Our site today is a site from which you can earn in more than one way. Our site today is a free site. Our site today is intended for beginners and those who do not have capital and want to start their way of earning money from the internet. The registration link on the site you will find in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet. So I ask you please, and not an order, to subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. The first time you enter the website link, of course, you will find the link inside the article. It will be posted at the end of the article. You will find a link to click on. This page will open with you. You will click on Sign Up. Very excellent. This is the page through which you will enter your data. Name, email, password twice. I am not a robot. After that, you will click on Create Account, and it remains like this. You created an account on the site after logging into the site. This is the main page of the site, and these are the ways to earn. Opinion polls, watching videos, inviting friends, marketing offers. More than one method. 6 ways that you can earn from if we enter the first like this on the promo. This promo, I worked on it, of course. They tell you that if you confirm your email, you will get 100 points. If you link your account to their social media account, you will get 50 points. Of course, if you made a video and sent them a link to the video, you wrote the article, you will send them a link to the article. In exchange for this, you will get a point on your website if we return to the home page in this way and enter, for example, surveys, opinion. Of course, I have withdrawn this site before. Keep in mind, these are the withdrawals, editor, withdrawals. Guys, I pay the payer, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Steam, Amazon, cards. I have withdrawn this site before. I want to answer. But the history. If we click on the transfer like this, are they the withdrawals as you see? They are. The withdrawal that I withdrew was 30,000, and here is 10,000, 30,000, and 10,000, which means $4, give $3, give $1 a ransom. There have been withdrawals before from the site, and this does not prove that the site is honest and will pay if we click like this on the leaderboard. This shows that there are more people who have earned profits from the site. And the prizes they get, they get 300 0 points, meaning $30. Of course, this is for the people who get more profits, so you move up in the rankings, so you get more prizes, and you stay on this topic for 6 days and 2 hours. If you enter and work and collect good profits, you can come first and get prizes. From the site, we click on profit and click on the first thing, which is opinion polls. As you can see, you have opinion polls to complete, through which you choose your country, male or female. The postal code, which is the postal number that is closest to the post office to you, date of birth. Click on the opinion poll and you begin to complete, and so on. You finish the survey, you get a point, and so on. After that, you have an offer wall like the site we explained before. These are very, very good networks. The offer wall is an offer like opinion polls, as well as offers on mobile applications, offers on computer programs that you can download. You collect a point. This means that this is 10,000 points and 10,500 points. This is 70,000 points. This is 75,000 points. This means 10,000 points. $1 means 70,000 points. $7, 10,000, $1.50. All of these are one offers for one company. Keep in mind, all of these are offers for one company only. It is still a company. AdGem is still in offer Toro, which we saw on the site. It gives you offers and opinion polls that collect points from them. The company that makes an advertisement benefits, and you benefit too. Everyone here benefits, but the important thing is that I work and continue without laziness or fatigue. We all wasted time in the beginning, but we wasted time on learning and experimenting in order to win. Sorry, if the internet is a little weak, we will see any other company. He is not weak, no, he is dead. Haha, yes, as you guys see. Here are the offers. Here are the offers. Here are the opinion polls. 2,520 points. Mobile offers. You download an application on the phone. You play on the phone. You reach a certain level in the game. You start taking the amount written in front of the game. Mobile offers, computer offers, more and more offers, and here my points appear. This is for offer walls. After that you have something called offers. These are also offers, videos of your hands, saliva from within the site, and not external applications such as offer walls that make advertisements on the site, but these are offers specific to the site. This is an advertisement for 1,850, 6,300, which means approximately 60 cents, 2,500, 1,260, and so on. This is an offer for 105,000, a large number. This means that this is a single offer from which you can earn $10. It is very easy to earn from these sites, but we need to focus and understand how to work. We talked about promotion, but there is not a lot of watching videos, perhaps one video a month. There are also referrals, of course, if you start sharing your referral link, and you get a percentage of the registered members' profits through you. I currently have 8,744 points, waiting to reach 10-0, so I can withdraw the profits from my Payeer account, God willing. In short, I will leave everything about the site to you. Of course, the link to the site is in the article, in the description, and in the first pinned comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you in a new video soon. Thank you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.